they try to make you feel like pain on me. But you know, like I know that trouble will never last. Yeah. So hold your head up high. God is on your side. And he loves you and he cares. He's so faithful.
Hey Gems, it's Tayshawn Miller. And before I get started, I do want to warn you all that the sun is up and down, up and down, up and down. So you're going to constantly see me adjusting my lighting on my camera for that very reason. So every time I do a video, I always receive questions on what type of eyelashes I wear. And I normally wear strips, like always. That's all I wear is strips. However, I have been getting a lot of requests to do individual lashes that look like my strip lashes, which is a pretty good idea. I've thought about doing that many times, but because I kind of didn't like the eyelash glue of the regular individuals, how tight it is, I just can't stand that tightness around my eyes, so I never really did it. But because I get so many inboxes on Instagram and on YouTube, I decided to go ahead and try to see if I can recreate the look that I wear with strip lashes by doing see the sun, yeah, too bright. Doing individual lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the products that I'm using. First and foremost, you need some sort of tweezers. I'm just using these plain old tweezers here. These are my absolute favorites. I pluck my eyebrows with that. Look how dark it got. I pluck my eyebrows with that. I do my clients when I do their eyelashes with that. So I just use it for everything. I'm going to be trying this new glue for the very first time, so I do not know how it works. It is by iEnvy Mega Hold Individual Eyelash Glue. Strong adhesiveness, long lasting, mild scent, easy to use, in the color black. I was going to get clear, but for some reason I feel like clear is going to look like coal is in my eye or on my lashes. So no, I don't want that at all. Period. So again, I'm trying to get that flirty look that I have when I wear my strips. So I have the Ultra Black Knot Free Mediums by iEnvy, the same company of the eyelash glue. And then because I want to have that flirty look, I'm mixing it with the Ordales, which are like my absolute favorite Ordale. Double up. My first time trying these. It's supposed to be like 60 lashes. There's about, I think, 12 lashes per cluster. So can't wait to see how this goes. Definitely can't. So you want to make sure you have some sort of little flat surface. I'm going to be using this plate to put some of the glue on so that I can do it. I am going to go ahead and start doing my first eye and come back, and then I'll let you guys see the difference in the eyes, and then I'll also let you guys watch me do the second eye, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm hoping and praying that this is not going to be hard for me to do. So as you can see, the first eye is done. It is still wet because I did not bring my little eyelash fan to dry it. And please excuse the dryer. It is on right now. I am washing clothes, trying to multitask, honey. This eye has not been done. As you can see, these are just my real lashes here. Okay. These are just my real lashes. And this is the side that I have done. Close it down so you can see. And I do want to form a opinion already about the glue. I like the glue and I dislike the glue. But I actually have more likes than dislikes. The first like I have is the fumes. It's not as powerful as some of the other individual glues that like cause you to tear up. I didn't tear up at all. And for someone who has not worn individual eyelashes in about two, maybe 3 years, I feel like this is amazing. I mean, I didn't tear up not one time. So it did say mild scent on here, and they actually are telling the truth. It is very mild. Another thing that I like is it doesn't feel so tight, but on the flip side of that, I hope they last at least 2 weeks because I don't want them to not adhere to my natural lashes as well. So I have a mirror right here in front of me, so it's kind of like hard because I have something in the middle, so I can't like see left, right like that. But I am going to try to get as close as possible like this here, so you guys can see while I look into the mirror that's right here. And I'm not even using a lot. I want you guys to just take a look at what I've used for that one eye. Literally, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've used only 7 of the medium, and of the short I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the medium. Of the short I've used about 9. And guess what? I still have 2 mediums here, and I still have 2 longs here, 2 shorts. I'm sorry. Wait, so you guys can see. Okay, there we are. 2 mediums and 2 shorts. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some more onto my my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing them. But I am loving them so far. I love how they feel. I love how they look. They're very natural looking. They don't hurt. They mimic the mink lashes. And I find it convenient to just take them off and put them on your hand. For some reason, I just think it's really convenient for me. It's a lot easier than constantly pulling them off so that I can do them. Okay, so now I have all my short, and y'all, it literally took me about 10 minutes. Like, I'm so serious. I'm actually gonna think about getting back into doing lashes, because I love lashes. I like really love them. Okay, so I have them all loaded up now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just gonna play music while I do them. Okay, I'm not going to talk because there's no need for me to talk. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour my little dot of glue, and you don't want to pour much, just a little dot, because this glue does dry fast. But what I do like is that you get a large amount in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and
Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, and He promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt Him, all I could do was believe. Yeah, I don't take nothing for granted. I know the seed was planted. I don't need Molly or Percocet. I get it right how I live. I wanna live in the light, just like a candle be lit in the night. I don't want none of that purple. I don't do well with the Sprite. Line, yeah, we going to the finish line. Yeah, is you really with the team? I don't know. We gon' find out in the end. We gon' see, yeah. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, and He promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt Him, all I could do was believe. Yeah, call me crazy if you doubt the Father. Figure out the facts, feeling like you got it. Chopper loaded, aiming at the enemy. Do you really know your enemy? I'm just asking, answer honestly. Seem like we lies, it's all a facade. I don't want none of it. We made a covenant to never think about nothing but loving it. Got the spirit like girl sipping Hennessy. Most people Christian, but ain't really living. Condemning the spirit, the law, the life. They just want that ignorant. Pop a pig, Instagram, flex a bed, dark room, lot of lights. If you ain't popping no lights, like y'all gotta be kidding me. There's more to life than just vanity. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, and He promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt Him, all I could do was believe. I was deep down like a scuba. Then He picked me up like a Uber. I was deep down like a scuba. Then He picked me up like a Uber. I was deep down like scuba, then He picked me up like Uber. I really had nothing, had no time for stunting. I really had nothing. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. could do is believe. Yeah, I don't take nothing for granted. I know the seed was planted. I don't need Molly or Percocet. I get it right how I live. I wanna live in the light, just like a candle be lit in the night. I don't want none of that purple. I don't do well with the Sprite. Yeah, we going to the finish line.
Okay, Jim, so I am done. And when I tell y'all, these lashes are definitely giving me, whew, honey, life. I can't feel them at all. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and pinch them, which is something that I offer to my clients if they, you know, sometimes when you do lashes, you can feel like a shadow. So what pinching does is causes them to just lift up just the hair just a little bit so that you don't feel have that like overcast. I don't have the overcast at all, but honey, I just want to still do them simply because I want the security. It also helps to adhere them to your lashes. Now, for those who are wondering, no, I did not put these on the base of my lashes. That is what causes your real lashes to come out. That's also what causes the tightness. So I don't put them on my, oh, this one wasn't dry quite. Ah, please don't pull it off. Okay, you see this? This is stuck on there. It's stuck because it wasn't quite dry. Okay, there we go. And it didn't come off, so that's wonderful. But yeah, you just want to pinch them a little bit. Now, if someone has like very sparse lashes or possibly really none at all, then you want to go ahead and put them at the base of their lashes, you know, across the waterline, so that they have something to hold on to. But again, when you do it that way, it doesn't look as natural as these look. I mean, take a look and see, guys. I have on no eyeliner or anything. I don't know what they look like with my eyes closed, of course, because if my eyes are closed, I can't see them. But I am going to close my eyes and take a picture once I am done. So once again, this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. And while I was doing my lashes, I thought about it, and it's literally been longer than 2 or 3 years. The last time I wore individual lashes, or the last time I shall say that I've done individual lashes on myself, it was probably, my daughter's 11. My daughter may have been 5 or 6 years old. Okay, 5 or 6 years old, and she's 11 now, so it's been quite some time. So I honestly think for me doing these for my first time, that I absolutely did amazing. I did a good job. So I'm going to show you guys what all I have left. Let me break this down so you guys can, this is all I used. Just that top row and 2 from right here. So this is the whole pack, and all I used was this top row and that for both eyes. This is the medium. Okay, and of the short, here's the short, and with the short I used a little bit more, so I used the top row, and then I used about maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, okay? So I had to make the camera really, really dark so you guys can see, because where I am, I'm in some good lighting, so it's actually blinding. So that is it, honey, for my lashes. I hope you guys try this method. I hope you guys try these particular lashes and glue. It gets 10 thumbs up for me. I love it. It's amazing. It doesn't, like, none. You guys saw me put them on one by one, and I got no tears. None at all. I have no tears. None. No tears. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and let me know what's your next request.
I really had nothing.
The sky is falling.